Nestled in the heart of the majestic Himalayas lies a place of pure enchantment. This is the Kullu Valley, a wide, open expanse of breathtaking beauty in Himachal Pradesh. It's often called the Valley of the Gods, and honestly, one can immediately see why. As you travel from the bustling plains of India into the mountains, the air becomes cooler, crisper, and filled with the scent of pine. The valley stretches out like a green carpet, cradled by towering, snow-dusted peaks that seem to touch the sky. It's a truly magnificent sight, one that stays with you long after you've left. The valley is a close neighbor to the famous hill station of Manali, but it has a charm all its own. It feels less like a tourist destination and more like a living, breathing community. Here, life moves at a gentler pace, dictated by the changing seasons and the rhythms of the land. The mighty Beas River flows through its center, its waters sparkling under the Himalayan sun. This river is the lifeblood of the valley, nourishing the fertile soil and providing a playground for the adventurous. It's a place where you can simply be and let the sheer scale of nature wash over you. My journey here felt like stepping into a storybook, a world away from the familiar. The landscape is dotted with charming villages, their slate-roofed houses clinging to the hillsides. The people of Kullu are known for their warmth and hospitality, their faces weathered by the mountain sun and creased with ready smiles. They are proud of their home and eager to share its wonders with visitors. You feel a sense of welcome here, a feeling of being invited into a secret garden that has been lovingly tended for generations. It is a place of simple joys and profound beauty. From the moment you arrive, Kullu begins to weave its magic. It's not just the stunning scenery, but the feeling in the air. There is an energy here, a sense of peace and of ancient traditions still very much alive. Whether you are seeking high-octane adventure on the river or quiet contemplation in a peaceful orchard, the valley offers it all. It's a destination that feeds the soul, reminding you of the incredible beauty our world holds. This valley is a true jewel of India, waiting to be discovered by those with a love for nature and a spirit of adventure. The Beas River is the roaring heart of the Kullu Valley, and it offers an experience that is simply exhilarating: whitewater rafting. I must admit, the thought of tackling the rapids was both thrilling and a little daunting. But the moment you are on the water, any fear melts away, replaced by pure excitement. You are guided by expert rafters who know the river like the back of their hand. They teach you how to paddle in unison, guiding the bright inflatable raft through the churning, foaming water. It's a fantastic team effort, and you feel a real sense of accomplishment with every rapid you conquer. The journey down the river is a spectacular one, with different stretches offering various levels of challenge. There are sections with exciting rapids that get your heart pounding, where the water splashes and sprays, cooling you from the mountain sun. Then there are calmer stretches where you can put down your paddle and simply float. It is in these quiet moments that you can truly appreciate the surrounding scenery. You drift past towering cliffs, dense pine forests, and tiny villages perched on the riverside, waving to the local children playing by the bank. It's an absolutely wonderful way to see the valley from a completely new perspective. For the best rafting experience, the timing of your visit is key. The ideal seasons are from late spring to early summer, between April and June, when the snow from the high mountains melts, feeding the river and creating perfect conditions. The water levels are high, and the weather is pleasantly warm. Another wonderful window is after the monsoon, from mid-September to October. The river is still full and powerful, and the entire valley is washed clean and vibrant green after the rains. During these times, the river is alive with adventure seekers, their cheerful shouts echoing through the valley. Safety is paramount here, and the local operators take it very seriously. Before you even get near the water, you are fitted with a life jacket and a helmet, and given a thorough safety briefing. The guides are incredibly professional and reassuring, ensuring that even complete beginners feel safe and confident. It's an adventure for almost everyone, a chance to feel the raw power of nature while being safely guided through one of India's most stunning landscapes. The memory of paddling through those cool, clear waters, with the Himalayas standing guard all around, is one I shall treasure forever. One of the most special treasures you can find in the Kullu Valley is its world-famous woolen handicrafts, especially the beautiful Kullu shawls. These are not just simple pieces of cloth, they are works of art, woven with stories and traditions passed down through countless generations. A visit to a local workshop or factory is an absolute must. As you step inside, you are greeted by the rhythmic clatter of wooden handlooms. It's a mesmerizing sound, the heartbeat of a craft that has sustained these communities for centuries. The air is filled with the earthy scent of wool and the vibrant colors of the threads. The weavers, mostly women, sit at their looms with incredible focus and skill. Their hands move with a grace and speed that is hypnotic to watch. They work intricate patterns into the borders of the shawls, designs inspired by the nature that surrounds them, flowers, birds, and geometric shapes. Each shawl is a unique creation, a testament to the weaver's artistry. I was fascinated to learn about the process, from sourcing the soft wool from local sheep and Angora rabbits to the dyeing and spinning of the yarn. It gives you a profound appreciation for the love and labor that goes into every single piece. What makes these shawls so special is their authenticity. When you buy a shawl directly from a cooperative or a workshop in Kullu, you know you are getting the real thing. You are also directly supporting the local artisans and their families, helping to keep this beautiful tradition alive. Holding a genuine Kullu shawl, you can feel its warmth and softness. They are surprisingly lightweight yet incredibly insulating, perfect for keeping the mountain chill at bay. They are more than just souvenirs. They are timeless, practical pieces of art that you can wear and cherish for a lifetime. Beyond the shawls, you will find a delightful array of other woolen goods. There are beautifully crafted hats, known as Kullu topis, with their distinctive colorful bands. You can also find cozy socks, gloves, and intricately patterned pullovers. Exploring these workshops is a wonderful experience, a chance to connect with the local culture on a deeper level. You leave not just with a beautiful handicraft, but with the story of the person who made it and the place it came from. It is a warm embrace from the valley itself, a memory you can wrap yourself in for years to come. While adventure and crafts are a huge part of its appeal, the soul of Kullu Valley truly lies in its breathtaking natural scenery. It is a landscape painted in the most vivid shades of green imaginable. The rolling hills and lower mountain slopes are covered in a lush blanket of deodar and pine forests. The air here is wonderfully fragrant with the scent of pine needles, a smell that instantly calms the mind. Walking through these forests is a magical experience, with sunlight filtering through the tall trees, creating dancing patterns on the forest floor. It is nature at its most serene and majestic. The valley floor itself is a patchwork of agricultural beauty, most famous for its sprawling apple orchards. In spring, these orchards are a vision in white and pink, as thousands of apple blossoms burst into bloom. It's an absolutely stunning sight, a promise of the bountiful harvest to come. Later in the year, the branches hang heavy with ripe red apples, and the entire valley seems to glow with a golden hue. You can walk through these orchards, taste the crisp, juicy fruit straight from the tree, and feel a deep connection to the land and its cycles. It's a simple pleasure, but an unforgettable one. Dotted throughout this verdant landscape are charming traditional villages. These are not manicured tourist spots, but authentic Himalayan settlements where life continues much as it has for centuries. The houses are typically built from stone and wood, with slate roofs designed to withstand heavy snowfall. You see villagers going about their daily lives, tending to their fields, herding their sheep, or gathering firewood. Their gentle, unhurried pace of life is a wonderful antidote to the rush of the modern world. Stopping in a small village for a cup of tea is a chance to experience the genuine warmth of Himachali hospitality. Ultimately, a visit to Kullu is an invitation to immerse yourself in nature's grandeur. It is a place that encourages you to slow down, to breathe deeply, and to simply look around. From the snow-capped peaks that dominate the skyline to the gentle murmur of the Bees River, every element of the valley comes together to create a perfect symphony of sight and sound. It's a region that welcomes you with open arms and leaves you feeling refreshed and inspired. I wholeheartedly encourage you to come and discover its many wonders for yourself. It's a journey you will never forget.